heartbreaks are real, man. Like, yo, like, heartbreaks and disappointment is real, be like. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. People be acting like that it's real. It's real. You need to understand it and accept it. And I'm not just talking about relationships. Obviously, everyone knows heartbreaks in relationships and all that is real. Yeah, people go through it every day. You've seen people crying and all that. I'm talking about everything, yo. I'm talking about the relationship side of things where you've trusted and you've given everything and someone's just let you down. You didn't even see it coming. Yeah, I'm talking about the business side of things where someone's just done you dirty and they were your people. They were like your partner or your, I don't know, they could even be your family member or your business partner, someone you grew up with, and they just did you dirty in business, right? It's real. And at that particular point, what's burning you is not so much the act. Like if it, like in relationships, it would be, I don't know, just what normally happens in relationships, cheating. It's not the cheating that's burning you. It's not in business, it's not the money or the side deal that he's done. That's not what's burning you. At that particular point, what's burning you is a disappointment. What's burning you is the letdown. You feel like, yo, you really let me down. Like, you really disappointed me. That's what's burning you. Like, it's real, right? But it's also understanding the other side to it. It's a lesson. A lot of it is a lesson. So I take it, accept it, know that it's real. When it does come, which at some point in life, I mean, I pray to God it doesn't, but it's almost guaranteed at some point in life, something's gonna burn you, like it's coming. So take the lessons, but accept it, don't fight it. Like, let yourself grieve, let yourself feel, let yourself know that this is what it is. Then take the lessons from it. And you can't lie to yourself. People, especially boys, a lot of times boys, when it comes to relationships, they be like, oh, nah man, I'm not heartbroken. I'm not. You're running away from it, trying to pretend it's not real, trying to pretend that's not what it is. But it's okay. Accept. I'm not saying run around telling everyone your issues, no. But accept it and know within yourself that this is what it is, and I'm heartbroken. I'm feeling this because it's real. Because you had real emotions, and if you put something down for real, like if it's business and you really give 100%, and you had someone you trusted and it did you dirty, don't pretend it doesn't burn. It burns. It's cool. Like, it's alright. Do you know what I mean? Accept it and deal with it in your own way. Whatever works for you, deal with it. But don't pretend it's not there, because then you'll probably end up making the same mistake again. You need to face it, know it, accept it, and then deal with it. And then from there, obviously, that's where the lessons come. You understand where you went wrong, what you did wrong, maybe what signs you ignored, and hopefully from there you never have to go through the same situation again. But don't be lying to yourself. It's real. Heartbreaks are real. Being disappointed is real. Being hurt is real. Until next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well. Real Andrew SB. I repeat, Real Andrew SB on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.